Right back. I'm here. Oh, my hands are freezing with the water. Do you hear that? A tree snap right over here. Not a tree snap, but a stick. Like somebody stepped on it. Shit. There's one behind me, and there's one over here. Oh, fuck. I was going to sit there, but it's full of snow and it's frozen. I'm telling you, look at that. That's not quite frozen. See the water? It's not frozen. I was going to walk across it, but it's deep. Are you hearing that? They could be standing right here next to me. I wouldn't even know it. Sobe, I hope you're friendly. It's gonna be snow. Oh, I've been coming here for so many years. I'm pretty sure they know me by now. They say they go by the scent. That's what I heard. I don't know how much of it's true. I hate looking up. Like that one day, I was at another park way out, Brown something, and I was reading that paper on there. I don't know why it's on there. It says Brown something. But anyway, I was at a park. I'm not going to say the name. And I was the only one there. Summertime. I was way up on the ridge and I was looking down at the water. And it's a deep, long drop. And I said, let me take my binoculars, check out the trees. So I did that. And when I did that, there was one right up in the tree with the hair in front of his face. I didn't feel scared or anything. It's like I just felt like he was curious, and I was so excited that I looked down real quick because I don't go over the edge, because I would have been in the hospital if I did. And then just quick sec to look down real quick and then back up, gone. Didn't hear him leave. Didn't hear him jump down out of the nothing. That's how quiet. They're like ninjas. That's how quiet he was. Now I go back there. I don't know if the people that own houses way back there, because it's out in the sticks, they bought that piece of property because the beautiful deep flowing creek back there, and they have no trespassing signs. Because I went back there because I wanted to show you where I was and where I was standing and where he was in the tree. That cameras back there, all kinds of crap, and I'm like, I'm not going to jail for that. Look at this. That was never there. It's the X. Huh. I see something over there. Okay, how long is this one? Okay, guys, right back. Thumbs up, share, subscribe. How come it's not?